Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about downloading and installing the Messenger app on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the Play Store button. You want to select the search button at the bottom, and then search for Messenger at the top. Should say over 5 billion downloads here. Messenger, Meta Platforms. Select Install. And then you can select Open to open it up. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.